should be able to do a similar thing with the dog, the baby pup. Come here, pup. So the goal is to get him to touch his nose to the pin, which he just did, and then you hand him a treat. Try to get him to do it again. So this is the first time ever targeting with the dog. The cat's done it before, but the dog is new to it. Rhett, come here. Animals are naturally curious to things that wiggle, so they naturally want to put their nose on it, which makes it easy to get them used to the target. Rhett, come here. He's less than 5 months old, so sometimes you have to get him recentered on it. Hey, Rhett. Cat's pretty good at it. The cat's done a lot of target training before. Oh my goodness, let's all growl at each other. Rhett, come here. Alright, let's see if the old dog will do it. The old dog's never targeted before. She's like, I don't know what that is. Cat's like, I know what it is. Cat says, I'll do it. It's for you, Charlie. He's like, I don't want that. Scarlet does, though. Scarlet's my old girl. She just gets treats because she's cute.